Hard to hear in extreme noise? Try hearDELIGHT 1.2 Ultra Model. hearDELIGHT 1.2 Ultra Model blocks extreme noise. A demo audio was recorded in a noisy computer lab. hearDELIGHT 1.2 Ultra Model turns black noisy input waveform into clean magenta output. Raw input sound.
hearDELIGHT 1.2 Ultra Mode blocks extreme noise in computer lab.
hearDELIGHT 1.2 output sound.
hearDELIGHT 1.2 Ultra Mode blocks extreme noise in computer lab.
hearDELIGHT 1.2 Ultra Model works well with the following earbuds or headphones in extreme noise. For details, please visit hearDELIGHT.com. Thank you.